Let's go ahead once again, then we'll see the another steps. Putting the feet under the warm saline water for 5 minutes, then wiping the feet with the cotton properly. We can use the oil, but many times we are avoiding the oil in the reflexology, but sometimes we also put the oil. If we put the oil, our finger is gliding very easily. So we can put little oil and we can start the session of this reflexology. Now, step 3 having A, B, C, 3 sub step. In the number 1 step, we are squeezing the calf muscle one by one of the both legs for 30 and 30 seconds, activating all the branches of the sciatica nerve and relaxing the calf muscle area. Practically, I have seen when we are doing the treatment here on the calf muscle, then patient is telling Dr. Saha, today in the night I slept very deeply and very nicely. So we are having very good sleep area in the calf muscle. Now, one more thing. If someone is suffering with a gas, acidity, and indigestion, then the person who is having gas, acidity will be having too much pain in the calf muscle. So when you are doing some treatment on the calf muscle, the abdomen will get very much relaxed and abdomen will be very much light and gas will be released, acidity will be gone. Acidity will not be there now. So in this way, calf muscle is very much painful for the person who is suffering with the gas. And one more thing, never try to do vigorous pressure because these areas become more painful for the person having gastric discomfort. So after doing the squeezing, next step, twisting the calf muscle so that we are covering the sciatica branches from all the areas. Not only this, we are stimulating the local receptors who are connected with the relaxation part of the brain and the sleep. Now, gentle thumb walk, which I told you, we can do only with a single thumb, but practically I feel very much comfortable if I take the support of other thumb. So when we are taking the support of the other thumb, then one thumb we are keeping on the bottom and we are not giving pressure with the thumb who is touching with the skin. And the other thumb who is on the upward, who is placed upward, we are pressing that one. So it is making means it is more comfortable because our thumb is not getting tired. So thumb bog, it's very wonderful. Now, in the lower leg, just this midpoint, in the Marma Shastra also, this point is called Manai Adangal. The meaning of Manai Adangal, the point useful during the emergencies. So when someone is telling, do something, I am having too much cramps and pain in my legs and the calf muscle, just press this point and you will see very good results. The cramps will go away within fraction of seconds. And this point located just in between, just in the middle of lower leg, means from knee to ankle, you can measure and search the point just in the middle, that is the Manai Adangal. Now, then I told you the plantar and the dorsiflexion of each leg, just we have demonstrated. So in this, we are doing little tractions first. So we are pulling the heel and then doing the plantar and dorsiflexion of the foot 8 to 10 times on one leg, then 8 to 10 times on the other leg, right? Now we are moving ahead because when the person is coming with a complaint of sciatica nerve, this much technique definitely will relax the person, but this is not the enough treatment. We have to do more treatment. If anyone is suffering with a knee pain, please apply this because I told you the sciatica nerve passing from the lower back then passing from the knee as well. So many times the knee pain just is the result of sciatica nerve compression. Zigzag movement of the feet, only of this area, only of this feet area, zigzag movement of the feet, and pulling and rotating the toes, and finally we will do the treatment on the solar plexus. So zigzag movement of the feet, pulling and rotating of the toes, and finally we will praise the solar plexus. Solar plexus is means kidney one area. As per the acupuncture, this is called kidney one. Now this is the completion of basic step. After doing the completion of the basic step, we can move ahead for the special treatment of the sciatica nerve. And now as soon as we are going to touch the sciatica nerve point, immediately pain will be relieved. Doing the zigzag movement of the feet, and pulling the toes, then rotating the toes. Same doing in the other leg. First, zigzag movement of the feet. It is very much relaxing. If you do right now for yourself, you will feel very much relaxed. And when we do this technique, there should be very right position of the therapist. So you will also be comfortable. Then pulling the toes, rotating the toes. Now we have to finally come on the sciatica nerve reflex. So let's see the sciatica nerve reflex. So now we have to stimulate this area. This area is called sciatica nerve area. This area is very deeply interconnected with the sciatica nerve. So this area is called sciatica nerve area. So first we have to stimulate this area vertically. Second, we have to stimulate this area horizontally. Then we will move down in the feet. In the same line, we are moving down in the feet. We will stimulate this whole area and we will go on the other side. And again, we will stimulate this whole area and will complete the circle. And as soon as we stimulate these all points, wow, the patient will be feeling wonderful. Now, how to stimulate these area, we will demonstrate in the next class because we have limitation of the time. It is already 5:48. We don't want to go in the hurry and curry. We will demonstrate these point stimulation very properly because with the help of these points, you will able to treat the lower back pain, sciatica pain, knee pain.
Sir, is it possible to do acupressure by ourselves? Because in the calf muscle squeezing, you are telling to
Yeah,
just.
definitely. It is possible. Even I will demonstrate you how to do for yourself. Okay, it's
Okay,
really possible. It's definitely possible.
okay,
And
okay,
see, we can turn the feet and we can praise our points very easily. It's very good. And even we can use
okay.
our both hands.
And
Yeah,
okay, sir, these fertility problems can also be like removed from the acupressure techniques.
yeah, we have very good points for the polycystic ovary. We have very good point for the uterus. And even not only we can remove, we can help the person, even we can diagnose the person whether someone is suffering with the ovarian problem or uterine problem or not. As soon as we touch the ovary point, if the female is suffering with the ovary problem, will shout, or it is too painful. Even will gentle touch will create the pain. So we can do the diagnosis as well as the treatment.
Okay, so sir, these classes will also be done here.
Yeah, we will
Like you will
definitely.
also.
We will
Okay,
discuss
okay,
about the ovary and infertility.
okay.
Yeah. Yes, Sumanji, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, sir, I want to share something.
Yeah, please.
मैंने आज सुबह एक ट्रीटमेंट किया मेरी सिस्टर इन लॉ के ऊपर। तो मैंने फिंगर, अभी आप बता रहे तो मेरे को लगा कि उसको उनको गर्म पानी में पाँव देकर यदि मैं करती तो और ज्यादा इफेक्टिव होता वो ट्रीटमेंट।
हाँ हाँ
मैंने फिंगर टिस्टिंग की थी और केवन पे उनको मतलब प्रेसिंग जो किया था
हाँ
और सारे चैनल्स पे, पाँव के चैनल्स पे के ऊपर हल्की हल्की मसाज की थी।
हाँ हाँ।
उनको बहुत पाँव में, लेफ्ट पाँव में बहुत पेन था।
हम्म
उनको कई मतलब दिनों से है पेन।
हाँ, हम्म
और फिर उनको उसके बाद मैंने उनको LI4 एंड लिवर्स का पे निडलिंग की, आज्ञा चक्र पे निडलिंग की और DU20 पे निडलिंग की। हाँ, वो सो गई थोड़ी देर, आधी घंटा वो उनको नींद आ गई, आधी घंटा या 20 मिनट। और उसके बाद मैंने उनको मोक्षा किया नाभि के पास SP6 पर, SP36। तो उन्होंने कहा कि मेरा पाँव इतना हल्का लग रहा है कि मेरे को पता ही नहीं लग रहा है कि मेरे पाँव में दर्द भी था।
वंडरफुल, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी नाइस। सी abhi, I told you the solar plexus in the feet. Remember one thing: during any types of emergencies, suddenly someone is telling you, okay, can you treat? Someone will tell you, okay, I know you have learned the acupressure very recently. Someone may ask you, you have learned the acupressure recently. Now, can you treat my abdominal pain? Can you treat my lower back pain? Can you treat my headache? Whatever the problem, you just press solar plexus in the feet. Solar plexus under the feet, which I demonstrated you today, keep on demonstrating again and again. Excellent point for all types of emergencies. All types of
K1
emergencies.
सर, K1 ना?
K1, kidney one.
हाँ,
It's a wonderful point for gas, acidity, indigestion, pain, cramps, headache, everything. So do not forget the solar plexus under the feet, and this is a very excellent point. And thank you, Sumanji, for sharing your experience. Anyone else? Yes, Sanaji. Yeah.
Sir, if we want to learn the entire course from you, like what is the procedure? Because just learning sciatica and moving back is
No, no. See,
nothing.
this is the just today because during the next 15 days we are going to discuss all the common diseases, and we will discuss, like, see, we will not discuss randomly. We will discuss in the way, like, suppose some person is coming you and telling, can you treat my migraine? Yes, you know, my migraine point will come here, so we will go very systematically, and you can learn within these 15 days. You will able to
The
treat all the
entire
common
the
diseases.
entire course in 15 days, right, sir?
Yeah, this course, entire course is 15 days, and even this will be, if you are more interested in the future also, you can do many courses like uh, cosmetic therapy, also very good. You can do cosmetic therapy just by using some points. We can lift the face, remove the wrinkles and pigmentations. So but this course is entirely 15 days course, complete course, and with the help of this course you will able to treat.
So one more thing, my husband has pain in the legs all the time, but he also has some swelling in the joint of calf and knee. That
Okay,
how do I get rid of that, sir?
so today just do whatever I told you. Okay,
Okay,
just do whatever I
okay,
told you and share your feedback through the WhatsApp or next time. Okay,
sure.
we will
Because he's
definitely
unable
are
to
going,
walk
like, see, we
properly
are
and
going
bend
to
properly.
discuss, about the legs, and this is just a starting, and definitely you will
Yes.
able to treat very easily without any problem.
Okay. So do can I rotate it, sir, the pain or no?
What do you want to rotate?
That swelling in the knee and the calf muscle
No,
between the
don't do pressure around the swelling.
okay.
Just do the treatment and see, when we are improving the circulation, swelling going away. What is swelling? Swelling is our own fluid in the human body. Sorry, we are having 70% water. So what is swelling? Swelling is our own fluid, but when the circulation is not proper, retention is there, creating the swelling. So improve the circulation. Swelling will
Okay.
go away automatically.
Wonderful, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
सर केवन पर मोक्षा कर सकते हैं?
बड़े आराम से करते हैं. Yes.
Sir, can you demonstrate how to press the point
Yeah.
under the peak?
So I will demonstrate you. अभी तो हमारा साइटिका का पूरा बाकी है. I will demonstrate you these all points and including the sciatica point in the further class, future class.
Sir, actually today is our last class, na?
हाँ, लेकिन हमारे पास टाइम की लिमिटेशन है. आज हम इससे ज्यादा नहीं खींच सकते because 6 o'clock we have another hour class, TCM diagnosis, right?
Okay.
So-
Sir, can you give your phone number?
Yeah, like Vaishali will give you number. You are from Bodhi Yoga,
Yes, sir.
so you can ask Vaishali. Okay.
Monica, all the details will come to you.
Natasha ji, you can ask Natasha ji. Yeah,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
welcome. Fine. So Malarji, yes, please.
Father has the sciatica pain and he is undergoing some Ayurveda treatment and now
Okay.
pain has reduced, but he has that sole numbness kind of thing. So whether this will reduce that numbness also in further or
Yeah. So numbness, we have to do moxibustion treatment as well with this treatment, and moxibustion is also in our syllabus. We will learn that. Even in the moxibustion, we are going to learn. We have to do some moxibustion, and also we have to do the same technique. See, when there is a compression of the nerve, it might create pain, it might create numbness. It depends as per the compressed part. And when we are treating the nerve, we will able to treat whether the numbness or the pain both, right?
okay.
So definitely this whole process, what we learned today, it is going to help you. You do just this much and add moxibustion, which is very easy process, and we will learn that. Sorry.
So during the 15 days
Sir-
course, do we get certified, sir?
Yeah, definitely. We have written 15 days certificate course.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you.
सर
Yes, please. Bharti ji, yeah.
सर K1 पॉइंट को किसी भी सिचुएशन में प्रेस कर सकते हैं, उसका साइड
हाँ,
इफेक्ट
जैसे
नहीं है.
मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि हमारी पेशेंट है जो मैं बिकॉज आई एम फ्रॉम बड़ोदरा गुजरात, तो हमारे एक पेशेंट है जो इंडोनेशिया जा रहे थे. उन्होंने कहा कुछ ऐसा पॉइंट बताओ इमरजेंसी के लिए काम आए, तो मैंने उनको केवन बताया. अब 6 महीने के बाद वो अपनी वाइफ के साथ आए, तो उनकी वाइफ ने कहा कि मुझे पेट में दर्द हो तो भी ये केवन दबाते हैं, मुझे कमर में दर्द हो तो भी केवन दबाते हैं, माइग्रेन हो तो भी केवन दबाते हैं, और कंधे का दर्द हो तो भी केवन दबाते हैं. अब और उन्होंने अपना पैर दिखाया, देखो इन्होंने केवन दबा दबा के वहां पर निशान बना दिया. मैंने कहा अच्छा ये बताइए कि दर्द का क्या होता है? कहा दर्द चला जाता है, तो और क्या करना है जी. इट्स ए वंडरफुल. और मैं आपको एक दूसरी चीज बताता हूँ. मेरा एक फ्रेंड है जो पैरालिसिस का ट्रीटमेंट करता है. मैंने उसका बड़ा नाम सुना, मैंने कहा तो करता क्या है. मैं उसके पास 3 दिन जाके रहा, तो वो 25 मिनट ट्रीटमेंट देता है और 15 मिनट सिर्फ केवन को दबाता है. मैंने कहा यार तेरे 25 मिनट के ट्रीटमेंट में तो 15 मिनट केवन ही पकड़ा रहता है. कह रहा है कि यही तो सीक्रेट है पैरालिसिस को ठीक करने का. केवन इज ए वंडरफुल, यू कैन ट्राई. अब
Sir,
एक
I want to
दिन
share
क्या हुआ
something.
कि रात में मेरे पास फोन आया कि एपेंडिसाइटिस का पेन हो रहा है. उन्होंने पूछा क्या करूं. हमने कहा केवन को दबाओ. केवन को दबाया, दर्द चला गया, और जैसे ही दबाना बंद किया दर्द वापस आ गया. तो उन्होंने कहा कि दबाते हैं तो दर्द चला जाता है और पेन को हटाते हैं तो दर्द वापस आ जाता है. तो मैंने कहा दबाते रहो. अभी रात का समय है, हॉस्पिटल बंद है, दबाते रहो. तो वो एक बंदा बैठ के दबाता रहा 10 मिनट, फिर वो
So
15
how many days we should do this sciatica treatment, sir? How
तो
many days?
लेकिन जब उसने ऐसा 2-3 बार किया ना, फिर दर्द नहीं आया. तो वो मेरे अपेंडिक्स के पेन में भी काम करता है.
Sciatica pain, how many days, sir? How many days we have to do treatment for sciatica pain?
So definitely see, we are doing treatment for 3 days, for 7 days, for 12 days as per the condition, right? कि कंडीशन कैसी है. कंडीशन जैसे आज एक पेशेंट आया, उसने कहा कि मुझे सडनली पेन चालू हो गया, हमने ट्रीटमेंट दिया, पूरा ठीक हो गया. लेकिन परसों एक पेशेंट आया था जिसको काफी दिनों से दर्द है, कई सालों से दर्द है, तो हमने बोला कि भाई आपको 12 दिन ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आना पड़ेगा. किसी किसी पेशेंट को कम ज्यादा आना पड़ सकता है, ये डिपेंड करता है कि कंडीशन कितनी कितनी खराब है उसकी. इफ इट इज अ वेरी सीवियर कंप्रेशन ऑफ द लंबर 4 लंबर 5 तो हमें और ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. तो करेंगे वो ठीक हो जाएगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
12 दिन रेगुलर की कुछ इंटरवल पे?
नहीं, ये हम इंटरवल में ही बुलाते हैं, क्योंकि रीजन क्या होता है कि एक दिन ट्रीटमेंट देके थोड़ा एक दिन आराम देना जरूरी होता है पेशेंट्स को. तो पेशेंट की बॉडी, लेकिन मानो किसी कोई बहुत ज्यादा परेशान है तो फिर हम उसको रोज भी बुला सकते हैं. अब जैसे मैं बड़ोदरा में रहता हूँ, कोई पेशेंट मेरे पास आया पूना से कि उसे ट्रीटमेंट करवाना, तो उसको तो मैं रोज 10 दिन तक ट्रीटमेंट देता हूँ, है ना. और उसको मैं बोल, और क्या होता है कि ट्रीटमेंट कैसे काम करता है कि व्हेन वी आर गिविंग द ट्रीटमेंट and we are doing the treatment for 10 days, then effect is coming in 30 days. Means few little effect coming in the 10 days, but even after the 10 days effect is coming till the more 20-30 days. इफेक्ट बाद में भी आता है. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने ट्रीटमेंट दिया तब जितना ठीक हो गया बस उतना ही अब ठीक बना रहेगा, उसके बाद भी वो ठीक होता रहता है थोड़ा थोड़ा.
Sir, how to treat the high blood pressure?
High blood pressure is already in our syllabus. We are going to discuss in the detail. हम इसको डिटेल में
Sumanji, can
हाँ
I
जी,
just talk for a minute, please?
नताशा
Yeah,
जी.
thank you. Hi, good evening. Some of you, both the students, if there are a couple of more diseases that will be covered in the next 15 days, the list of which I have WhatsApped you. You can go through them. Those are the lists that will be covered in the next 15 minus 2 days, 13 days, right? So if you're interested in the remaining part of the course, you'll have to message me and I'll share the payment link to you. Okay? All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. तो
Thank you.
हमने क्या किया कि हमने we have already shared the list of common diseases. So whatever you are telling, like high blood pressure, migraine, the problem of the ovary, it's already in our list. If you go through with the list, you will find it. So Natasha ji will share, already have shared, but even you can ask once again. She will share the list, and in that list syllabus is given. You can go through with that syllabus, and we will definitely cover that, even more than that, right?
हेलो सर.
Yes, please.
सर अगर वो पीडीएफ मटेरियल अगर मिल जाता है तो अगर हम उसको आपके क्लास के पहले अगर हम वो पढ़ लेते तो और समझने में ज़्यादा आसानी हो जाएगी.
एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि देखिए क्या होता है कि पीडीएफ पिछली क्लासेस का तो है, लेकिन मेरी हर क्लास थोड़ी बदलती है. तो जैसे मैंने आज आपको जो मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ वो आज पीडीएफ मैंने सुबह ही बनाया, राइट. तो होता क्या है ना कि पीडीएफ मैं आपको क्लास के बाद ही दे पाऊंगा. जैसे आज हमारी क्लास हो गई, आई विल एबल टू प्रोवाइड पीडीएफ ऑन द नेक्स्ट डे. हमारे कुछ पुराने पीडीएफ है, पुरानी क्लासेस के पीडीएफ है, वो मैं आपको दे सकता हूँ. व्हाई? बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो रीडिंग एवरी डे और आई एम ऑल्सो अपग्रेडिंग माई सेल्फ एवरी डे. और जो अपग्रेडेशन होता है वो मैं पीडीएफ में ऐड करता जाता हूँ. So I am not interested to give you old PDF, but if you ask, I will give you. So better to go with the new PDF, new upgraded PDF.
6 तारीख को जो हुआ था उसमें मैं नहीं ज्वाइन कर
वो
पाया.
दोनों ही PDF इसी में है. इसको तो मैं अपलोड करने वाला हूँ, देने ही वाला हूँ. I will give to Natasha ji and she will give you.
Okay.
सर मैं K1 के बारे में एक और शेयर करना चाहती हूँ.
हाँ.
मेरी बेटी इज अ डॉक्टर इन जर्मनी.
हाँ.
तो वो पेशेंट बहुत 5-5-6 घंटे ऑपरेशन में खड़े होकर बहुत थक जाती थी. तो मेरे पास अभी आई थी 4 महीना पहले, तो मैंने उसको K1 दवाया.
हाँ.
मैंने उसको फुट रिफ्लेक्स, तो उसको बोला मम्मी आपने ये कौन सा पॉइंट दबाया, बहुत आराम लग रहा है इसको दबाने से. तो मैंने उसको सिखा दिया. तो अब वो क्या करती है, जिस दिन बहुत थक जाती है, बहुत ऑपरेशन रहते हैं, तो घर आती है. मैंने उसको 2 सुपारी दी थी. मुझे बेटा जब ज्यादा थक जाओ ना, कुछ नहीं करने का मन हो, पाँव धो के सुपारी के ऊपर पाँव, इस जगह पे पाँव रख के बैठ जाना. तो बोला मम्मी मेरे को उस सुपारी से इतना आराम लगता है ना, मन करता ही नहीं कि वहां से मैं पाँव को हटाऊं.
Means keeping the supari on the floor and keeping your kidney 1 point or solar plexus on that and giving the pressure. It's really very wonderful. It's very good for even high blood pressure. बहुत अच्छा, very nice.
तो उसने वो बोलती मम्मी अब मेरे को इतना आराम मिलता है उस पॉइंट को करके. तो थैंक यू.
K1 is really very good point. K1. Thank you so much जी for sharing feedback. So thank you so much everyone. अब हम आज की क्लास को यहाँ समाप्त करते हैं. इसका हम रिकॉर्डिंग दे देंगे आपको. आप सभी लोग रिकॉर्डिंग देख लीजिएगा, पीडीएफ देख लीजिएगा, अपने आप को अपग्रेड कर लीजिएगा. We will keep on discussing. For more detail, you can discuss with us Thank you so much. Closing the session. Okay.
Thank you, sir.